Here's a pair of Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. You want to factory reset these maybe because you have issues pairing or connecting to a device, or one side's working, the other side's not, or one side has lower volume than the other, and so on. So we're going to go ahead and factory reset these, okay? But first, let me just show you. I'm currently connected to my iPhone here, okay? The Bose QC Ultra Earbuds. It says connected here, okay? So let me just close these really fast. Okay, so now go ahead, we'll factory reset these, okay? So go ahead and open these up. And now what you want to do is, if you look on the back of the case here, there's a little button here. What you want to do is press and hold that. You want to keep holding it until the white light blinks a couple times, okay? You want to hold it typically about 20 seconds, but we'll do it together, okay? So here's that button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep on holding, and now the Bose QC, it just said not connected. Okay, I'm still holding onto the button here. I'm going to keep on, it's blinking blue right now. I'm going to keep on holding till it blinks a couple times white. I'm still holding. Still holding. Oh, there it is. It just blinked twice white, and now it goes back to the blue, which indicates it's in pairing mode now. So its factory reset is done. Now here's the thing. If you want to connect back to your previous device, like I was just connected to my iPhone here, but now I just factory reset these, okay? So if I wanted to connect back to my iPhone here, if I go to Bluetooth here, it's in pairing mode. It's not going to show up down here under other devices because remember, I was paired to it before. So first I got to do is unpair it or forget this device. Okay, so before I was connected here, the Bose QC earbuds, let me click on this I. For the iPhones, you click on forget this device. For Android phones, you go ahead and tap on unpair. Okay, now that it's unpaired, now it should show up down here under other devices. It's still in pairing mode, okay? But typically, I'm just gonna go ahead and just turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on so it can rescan. It's still in pairing mode. And then we should go down here. Now I can find my Bose QC back on my iPhone, and now I can reconnect back to my iPhone again. And give it 1 second here, and we see that it is now connected, okay? Good luck, guys.